States.
And divert the water to the facility. And small, we take almost 2 months.
Well, the most important point to note is that they cannot complete the work without taking care of the drainage, because you know what, it's water that destroys roads. And if you recall that when we came here the last time, we had seen the major problem, that is the drain that was put in place under the rainstorm master plan was not designed to drain water, because you cannot, the discharge point was much higher than the level of the drain that they had constructed to discharge water. So that was what was causing the flooding in this whole area. In the meantime, they had spent almost $200 million, right? $200 million is what they spent under the guise of the rainstorm master plan, which you can see yourself did not drain the water. Neither did they build the roads. And you recall I said I was going to probe that contract, but I wanted to convince myself that it wasn't an issue of witch hunt, that I understood what really happened. And just coming here today to see yourself the remedial work that has been done and the extent of the work, even a blind man can see that whatever they contracted to do under the rainstorm master plan is not what has happened. And like I said, Edo people need to know, because it's a lot of money. And 10 years after, the project has not been completed. So
if I understand you very well, it appears the project is going for a less cost than the earlier.
No, what we've done, for all the work we've done here, including the Kama Road and all the drainage, is not 1/3 of what they claimed that they spent on the rainstorm master plan, rainstorm works and the stormwater and all the roads, the adjoining roads. In fact, you saw in the case of Obaeke, there's supposed to be a road there and a drainage, but nothing has happened 10 years after. And in my election promises, I said I was going to build that road. But I wanted to make sure that I am not spending money on a project that they claim that has already been done. But all of this has to be subjected to thorough analysis, thorough investigation, so that we can recover whatever money, taxpayer money, that has been wrongfully taken out of our treasury.
Thank you, sir.